Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wikicode Quickies. I'm Norbert BM, and in today's episode, I'm going to bring you a cheat sheet for CSS Flexbox. First of all, what is Flexbox? For those of you who don't know, Flexbox is a must-known layout model for all web developers. The Flexbox model allows elements to align and distribute space within a container. It provides an efficient way to lay out, align, and distribute space among items in a container, even when the size is unknown or dynamic. So what I did is brought you this little cheat sheet. You can download the code. It's on my website, on my blog. As always, you can find it in the video description down below. I'm going to leave you to my blog post, and it's going to tell you about Flexbox with flex direction, justify content, align items, flex wrap, and align content. And of course, you can try each one of them out on your own by simply clicking on these little buttons here, which will then allow you to flex direction in a row direction, reverse direction, in a column direction, or in a column reverse direction. Of course, this is all made by me for you to try it out simply when you don't know what each and every one of them does, because the definitions can be sometimes a bit misleading. For example, if you want to try out justify content, you could just try out justify content with flex end, center, flex start, space between, or space around, of course. Or if you want to try out the align items property with flex start, flex end, center, baseline, and stretch. We have also flex wrap. For those of you who want to make this a bit smaller, then you can just activate flex wrap with wrap, no wrap, or wrap reverse, of course. Let's make this a bit larger again. And last but not least, align content with flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around, and stretch, of course. Now, all of these properties you can find, or you can try them out for yourself, making this really useful, because I'm going to provide you with my HTML file, the CSS file, with all of the properties, and of course a little bit of JavaScript, which can then change on a click each of those flex properties. As you can see here, each of them, there is a change flex assigned. For example, change flex direction, change justify content, change align item, and it is just going to throw you through all of those properties that I just showed you. Don't be afraid, download the content, try it out on your own, and you got yourself a perfect cheat sheet for Flexbox. So I hope you enjoyed this little cheat sheet. If you did, let me hear it in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click that little notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post new short videos like this, bringing you, of course, next time, the grid cheat sheet, CSS grid that is. So once again, my name is Norbert BM, wishing you happy coding. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.